Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the InShot 3D animation jump editing tutorial. So if you want to make your videos pop with this 3D animation jumps that go viral on TikTok, Reels or Shorts, here I'm going to show you step by step on how you can create stunning 3D jump animations in InShot using tricks that make your edits look professional and eye-catching. So this will be perfect for creators who want trending effects and viral ready edits in 2025. Now you can start by launching the InShot applications on your device. Tap on the video options, click on the new, and first import the background for your video. So I'm using this the image of an empty hole like this. You can adjust the duration and then click on the PIP options and add the object. So here I'm using a picture of a man without a background or with transparent background. You can make the length the same with the video like this. Now I'm going to make the size smaller or the man in here like this. Now click on the background and add a keyframe at the start and move it a little bit, for example in here. Then zoom it in, add another keyframe and zoom in the background just like this. Okay, now you can hit or click on the picture of the man and do the same. So zoom in the picture of the man like this and adjust the position. Here I'm going to add a keyframe. Now click on the background again, and then on the first keyframe just rotate the image like this. Then do the same with the picture of the man. So rotate it a little bit like this, so it will become like so. Now in between the keyframes in the background and also the overlay, find the ease option, this one, and choose the second one in here. Do the same with the man picture. So the movement will become smoother just like that. So that's pretty much all. This will be the final result. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.